I have great news for you, and you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can apply for a $50,000 grant. If this is something you're interested in, don't even touch it out. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So, do you need money? If the answer to this question is yes, don't sleep on it. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So, if you're new to my channel, please introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. I want to meet you if you're new to this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your massive love and support. I see you and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you. Yes, so, and in case, yes, if you are a Patreon member, you guys, thank you for your love and support to your girl on this channel. Thank you guys so much. I see every single one of you and I appreciate you all. Yes, if you want to be part of my Patreon community, you are invited to join. If you join my Patreon community, do you know that you can book a free consultation with me? We can discuss all things money, business, grants, scholarships, and everything in between. But I mean, I'm working for you guys day and night. The other day I slept at 5 a.m. researching all this information just so I can bring to you guys timely information on this channel and you can apply for this grant as quickly as possible. Without further ado, let me introduce myself as well. While you guys introduce yourselves, you're my first time. You think I'll forget? Introduce yourself in the comments. You think introduce. Let me know your name and where you're watching from. What do you do for a living? How did you find my video? Let me know as well. You know I'm nosy. Yeah, so my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share all things grants. Yeah, so when it comes to free money, yes, I also share ways to make money, different ways to make money online that no one is gonna tell you about. Yes, so you know me on this channel. I'm here to help you secure the bag. It's all about winning, not just winning. No, we are here to win real big. Yes, so without further ado, come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, this is a $50,000 grant, and guess what? You can apply multiple times in a year. Guess what? The Alberta Culture Community Facility Enhancement Program, CFEP Large Funding Stream Funding, provides financial assistance to acquire, build, repair, purchase, renovate, upgrade, or expand sports, recreational, cultural, or other related public use community facilities. And here is a brief overview. Now, the Community Facility Enhancement Program, CFEP, the funding provides financial assistance to acquire, build, purchase, recreational, sports, and cultural related public use community facilities. And here are the reasons why they do what they do: to enhance the lifespan and support the creation of public use community facilities, to also stimulate economic activities across the province. Now, CFEP has two funding streams: small stream and the large stream funding. Yes, so the details are actually in the CFEP guidelines, and they also have important program updates. Now, the CFEP will be updated subsequently as recommended. Yes, so visit the page regularly in case there's any change to the program. Please note that their processing time is taking longer than anticipated. They just want you guys to know, but they will definitely get back to everyone. Now, CFPP small funding stream provides financial assistance up to 25K, and they have 4 deadlines in a year, so don't worry about it. If you don't meet the cut for this quarter, you can always reapply. Yes, and just so you know, details are in the CFPP guidelines notification. You'll be notified as whenever you apply for these grants, you'll be notified whether you have been picked, you have been selected or not. And guess what? For CFEP large funding stream, they can provide financial assistance from $125,000 up to $1 million. Yes, they have that much money. Now, all approved projects' completion dates will be determined during formal agreement development, but not to exceed 30 months. Yes, when they give you the funds, you have to give them the reports within 30 months. Typically, it's within 18 months. Yes, when they give you these funds within 18 months, you're expected to give them a breakdown of how you spent the money. And just so you know, they have grant sessions. CFEP has grant sessions and they are recorded and they are provided on their website. You can go ahead and watch them, and they have notification timelines, answers to questions, and tips on submitting your application. You can find all of them in the videos. They also cover the basics of the CFEP program, including program outcomes and criteria used to determine organization and project eligibility. So guys, here is how to apply. So step 1 is to read the grants guidelines. And step 2 is to fill out an application package. So like I said, they have the small funding stream package, and they also provided the templates. So you can use the templates, and you can also do the application for electronic payments for large funding stream package. They have the templates on their website as well. So they made everything really easy for you guys. They will also need your 5-year operating budget, as part of the requirements. And please note that that for application for the electronic payments, keep a copy of your application because you may be contacted for more information or clarification. So step 3 is to submit the application package. Please, you can email your packages to communitygrants@gov.ab.ca, and after you apply, during the review process you may be contacted for more information. And please make sure that you submit your real email address, and all decisions made are final. No appeals will be considered. If your application was actually declined, you may submit a new application for the same project if the project has not started, and you may also submit a new application if your program has started but the project components are not completed nor expensed. Yes, so and that is it for today, guys. Just so you know, this particular cycle is closing soon, and like I said, you can apply or reapply. Even if you miss this cutoff, you can always apply again. Please check out my previous videos and apply for grants. There are so many grants that I've shared with you guys on my channel. Please let me know if you want to see more grants videos on this channel or make money online videos. Let me know. I'm working for you guys. Your wish is my command. You know, on this channel, I want you guys to win real big. It's all about you guys winning, securing the bag on this channel. We're not here to play. We're not here to dull. We're here to win real big. So let me know what you want to see more of on this channel. I remain your girl Mariam, and on this note, I'm signing out. And just in case you have any questions regarding grants, please note, when you apply for grants, it's not a guarantee that you win the grants, and that's why I always ask you guys to apply for multiple grants so that you stand a chance to win grants at least. Yes, so when you apply for multiple grants, you're setting yourself up for greater successes. So go ahead and apply for multiple grants on my channel. You know, tell a friend as well about these amazing opportunities. I mean, it doesn't hurt. The fact that you share this video doesn't mean that you will not win grants. So go ahead and also share with the community. And if you're yet to introduce yourself, what are you waiting for? If you have not liked this video, I don't know, like this video, like and share this video with your community members. And if you have not told me who you are, introduce yourselves in the comments. I will still give you that chance. Don't worry, I'm patient like that. So introduce yourselves in the comments. I like to know you. I like to meet you, especially if you're new to this channel. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. And to all of my Patreon members, I want to say big thank you. I appreciate every single one of you. Now, if you want to be part of my Patreon community, my exclusive Patreon community, you're invited to join. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community is that you can book a free consultation with me, and there are so many grants that I also share on my Patreon community page. A lot of grants that don't make it to my YouTube channel. Yes, so yeah, go ahead and join my Patreon community. You're invited. You can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Like I said, when you join my Patreon community, sweetie, you can book a free consultation with me, and we can discuss all things money, grants, business, everything, scholarship, everything in between. I remain your girl Mariam. If you have any questions for me, let me know. If you want more grants, let me know. If you are team grants, let me know. If you are team make money online, let me know. Yes, so that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching up to this point. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell. I'm going to be showing a lot of grants videos on my channel. In case you're from any part of the world, don't worry, I've got you covered. I have grants for Africans, I have worldwide grants, I have grants for people in Canada, I have grants for people in the United States, so don't worry, I've got you guys covered. Yes, so and that's a wrap for today. That's it for today. And I hope this video has been a blessing to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend about these amazing opportunities, and of course I'll see you guys in my next video. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are sweet, you're gorgeous, you're beautiful, you're amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. And if anyone is doubting how far you can go, yes, I need to pump it in you. Please leave them behind. Go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all. Keep winning, keep shining, keep sparkling for me. Bye guys.